I have to put my meter on voltage. Okay. Now I'm gonna call for heating. There we go. So you see that tubing there is almost stopped it from spinning. So I'm gonna go ahead and check now. If it's obviously we know it's getting voltage because it's spinning. So you see 120 volts. But if you're on a call and you're getting 120 and that inducer draft motor is not spinning, then it's a bad inducer draft motor. You could be sometimes you can get this like ohms reading, but maybe the bearings or something inside failed mechanically.